but only 4 on their shot clock. Bulanate drills in that long three-point Gano comes away with a steal and backs it in. The lead is down to 2 for the lead. It's good! Long three-point shot. Oh my goodness! Hesed Gabo drills in that three. With the backboard.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
A free from Mark Dyke. It's now an 8-point lead for the Cowboys.
They don't seem to have plans on looking back in this game, Ken.
Galanza steps closer, lays it in.
Started this game without suiting up against Caloocan. He was aggressive right from the start.
They have yet to solve this zone defense nitong Ilagan Isabela. Not much fluidity on their offense, although Napoles bails them out with that jumper.
Yeah, that's a guy that they haven't been able to go to. For one, he was on the bench for quite some time in that third quarter. Second, that option, hindi na nila masyadong ine-explore compared to the first quarter, especially those first 4 or 5 minutes wherein they almost exclusively.
Josh Giab. Now it's with Don Gumaru. 5 seconds left on their shot clock. Gumaru is pocket picked by Hesed Gabo. Galanza drives baseline. Goes for the reverse. A brave move off the dribble from Bong Galanza.
He's not looking to attempt from the outside.
Gixer, great move of the game, born for greatness. And J-Boy Solis is an intimidating presence, yet Bong Galanza was able to will that one through. The lead is down to 1 on Tumalip. Tumalip drives right, kicks it out to Josh Giab. The shot fake, the step back, the pass to Tumalip. 3 seconds left for 3. It's good!
Pero nakita mo, walang pag-aalinlangan doon sa ginagawa nila. Walang pagmamadali doon sa opensa nila. They got it to the open man. But here, that's also what Pangasinan did. And they get it.
Gabo has yet to make a free. Galanza, another 3-point attempt. That time a miss. Coco Pingoy at the controls. The hesitation, Pingoy turns it over again. Tatakbo si Alin Mulanani. Dire-diretso, lays it up and in. Lead back to Pangasinan, 71-70.
In a basket.
Pangasinan getting their second win, but only 4 on their shot clock. Bulanate drills in that long 3-point bomb.
Alin Bulanadi finally showing us what he is about here in this game. Fourth quarter production, 5 points on layup, and then this booming triple from way downtown. That was almost near the logo.
Mabulak forcing it up, got rejected by J-Boy Solis. Miranda in transition, sidestep, stumbling down but still managing to lay it up and in.
To get it inside.
Tabla na naman, 74 apiece. Napoles misfires from the outside. He cuts. Nice pass from Mabulak. And Jory Napoles lays it in.
What time to play.
Napoles attacks the defense of J-Boy Solis and he scores. Miranda quickly on the other side. Wild shot. No whistle. But Olegario comes away with a steal and backs it in. The lead is down to 2.
Oh, lucky sequence right there. What a big play for the Cowboys.
De La Cruz for the lead. It's good! The Cowboys up 80-79. Both teams in penalty. 9 seconds left. Tumalip. J-Boy Solis to Art De La Cruz. Ball stolen away by Pangasinan. Numbers here for the Heat Waves. Napoles got blocked. Maguliano there for the stick back. PH, ganap ng papasahan, binigay kay AJ Miranda. He was not there in that initial matchup. Miranda makes his move, puts it up, puts it in! We are tied 82 apiece.
just fouled out on the previous play after that foul on Alin Bulanadi. And I was beginning to wonder who would take the final shot. Lo and behold, AJ Miranda takes that responsibility.
Bongga Lanza will trigger it in. Napoles catches against Dennis Santos. 7 seconds remaining. Gabo with 5 against AJ Miranda. Gabo will make his move. Will put it up. It's short. And we are going into overtime. Woo-wee!
Treat for every MPBL fan watching tonight to have this game go another 5 minutes as Hesed Gabo
And would like nothing more than get into the playoffs. But 2 big misses from the line. Bongga Lanza has had a shooting touch all night long. Knocks down another 3 for a total of 21 points. Kick to this 2-3 zone. Air ball from 3 from Alin Bulanadi. Susugod si AJ Miranda. Puts it up and another basket for AJ Miranda.
he's just
Mabasa dalawang lamang. Supalpal inabot ni Gabo kay Mark Dyke. Pero nandoon para linisin yung kanyang bintes si JP Maguliano. Gabo. Long 3-point shot. Oh my goodness! Hesed Gabo drills in that 3.
listen very well. All options denied. Had no other recourse but to take the shot himself with a shot clock winding down. Even if he was few inches,
Is now up to 7, 93-86. AJ Miranda, the pass to Don Gumaru. Well executed play off a timeout as he banks in that 3. Enjoying this game between Ilagan Isabela and Pangasinan. Tumalip giving up the foul. Has the chance to seal the deal for the Pangasinan Heatwaves.
these are the moments that he loves, Ken.
Yeah.
May not be Gerson keeps him on his squads.
One of the rare guys that's a knockout match going up against the surging One Bataan Risers. And on the other side, Javi, oh boy, 98-91 in overtime. And Heatwave secured the 7th seed in the North Division playoffs. Let's go courtside to Miss Mika Abisamis.